Okay guys, so just a quick one today. We have a Lexus IS250 2006. Had no start, no crank. This is my neighbor's car. I broke down with him in the road. So I came here, they had this wire, like a loop. This is for the fusible link. If you look here, you can see what they did. They put a zip tie. I put this there just to verify, but what they did, this is a fusible link here. If you look here, you can see where it's broken, and I think this is feeding the alternator. So they put this link and they zip it through this plastic piece, so it was just making contact here. So I think that is why this burned. If you're going to do this, you're going to have to put a zip inside, put a hole in here, and make sure you secure it properly, because one thing you have to understand with electrical connection, it must be a tight, secure connection. If it's loose, it's going to create high resistance and it's going to burn the wire. So okay, before I couldn't understand what was going on here, and I went online, did some research. So they have these boxes, I think maybe $100 on Amazon. I didn't look, but that's what I heard. I think it's 200 at the dealer. You can replace the whole box, or you could put like a fusible link, but get a proper fusible link and put it here, and make sure you get a good connection here if you're gonna do any temporary bypass, just to get you going until you get the box and replace it. All right, so if you have a no start, no crank, there was some light popping up on the dash, you had no radio, no brake light, and it kept giving you a warning sign saying to depress the brake when trying to start. That's what I was getting. So this was the problem right here. All right, so you can try to solder that, to put a fusible link there. I'll try to find out the exact gauge, but you could put a fusible link there. All right guys.